Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a specific electronic component that's quite popular in the world of audio projects. It's the HA1397, a two-channel audio amplifier circuit. This particular one comes from Phoncoo, a manufacturer known for producing various electronic parts. What exactly does this little chip do? Well, as the name suggests, it's designed to amplify audio signals. The two-channel part is key here. It means this single chip can handle both the left and right audio signals for stereo setup. This makes it a really convenient building block for creating stereo amplifiers. It comes in what's described as a zip package, which is a common type of integrated circuit packaging designed to be easily soldered onto a circuit board. This isn't a finished amplifier you just plug in. It's a core component that you'd integrate into your own custom circuit design. Think of it as the engine for your audio project. So, who would be interested in something like this? Primarily, electronics hobbyists, DIY audio enthusiasts, and technicians who repair audio equipment. If you're building a small amplifier for a portable speaker, a desktop audio system, or even repairing an old stereo receiver that uses this specific chip, the HA1397 is exactly what you'd be looking for. Having a component like this readily available, especially listed as in stock, is great news for anyone working on a project or repair. You can get just one piece, which is perfect for prototyping or replacing a single faulty chip. It simplifies the design process because the complex amplification circuitry is all contained within this one integrated circuit. Imagine building your own custom amplifier with specific power requirements or features not found in off-the-shelf units. The HA1397 provides the core amplification stage, allowing you to focus on designing the power supply, input-output stages, and any preamplification or tone control circuits you might want. It's a versatile component for creating compact and efficient audio solutions. While we can't test the specific performance without building a circuit, the HA1397 is a known type of audio amplifier IC, and getting it from a brand like Phoncoo suggests it's intended for standard electronic applications. For many DIY projects or repairs, having a reliable source for these common chips is essential. So, if you're diving into the world of DIY audio or need a replacement part for a two-channel amplifier circuit, the HA1397 from Phoncoo is definitely a component worth considering. Its availability and function make it a solid choice for bringing your audio projects to life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.